Now we're going to talk about what you do when the autoclave is finished steam sterilizing your instruments. Once the autoclave the timer has gone down to 0, and our timer has gone to 0, you turn it to exhaust and dry. What that will do is allow some steam to escape and start to dry out your instruments. Once the pressure gauge is all the way down to 0, very, very important, it's all the way down to 0, then and only then may you open up the door.
I have a question. So if the pressure gauge might be 0, but if you still hear something coming out of there, what should you do?
Just wait a little longer just to be on the safe side.
So it should be quiet.
It should be quiet.
Okay.
Once you're going to open up the door, you still, even though it's down to 0, just to be on the safe side, you never want to be hovering over the autoclave where some escaping steam might come up and burn you. So you always want to stand away from the autoclave. Open up your door. And as you can see, some steam will still come out. And that is why it's important that you do not have your arm or your face, any part of your body, over the door as you're opening up the door.
Okay.
Open up the door, crack it, and let the remaining steam come out and the instruments continue to dry. Once some time has gone by, probably about 20 minutes or so, you may then open up your door and take your instruments out and place them back on your shelf for use.
And how do you know that it worked?
How you can tell that it has in fact sterilized your instruments, as we showed earlier in our video, all the lines are now black that used to be white. So again, this is before autoclaving. This is after autoclaving. Now you know it's sterile.
And there's a strip inside as well,
Yep,
right?
there is also a strip on the inside just to be on the safe side again, to make sure that the steam has sterilized all the way to the inside of all of the packs. Everything on the inside of all of these instrument packs as well as the gowns have either a sterilizer strip inside them or a piece of the steam tape, some kind of indicator to show that in fact not only is the outside sterile but the inside is sterile as well.